on to new adventures, new water. This is the up to this point on the water point is the furthest we've been on the Trent and Mersey. So this represents new water for us, new adventures. Now, here we go. Field of pumpkins, look. Ready for people to collect. Officially on new water, look. Going up the Trent and Mersey. Right, so we've just moored up past bridge number 75. Just going to do our washing because I've just filled up at the water point. But look at this. Oh, I don't know if they are. I thought maybe they are. Oh yeah, they are wasps. They did sound like them, but then just saw one it looked like maybe a bee. But yeah, right near this, all the way up, look. So we're hoping if we leave them alone, they'll leave us alone and we'll be on his way. Right, I've just been for a little wander to the farm shop to get essentials like milk and cake. A really nice red velvet, couldn't resist. Then we're going back to the boat. Oh, let me show you over these fields, look. Look at this beautiful area. A lady who was walking past the boat said if you stay overnight, watch out because they're very noisy. So just going up here, see if we can find the plot. Right, that's lunch stop done. Carrot and coriander soup. I'm not really doing that. I've done the washing, so now we're cruising. Gonna maybe try and get just before an area called Weston where we can moor up because another boater pointed out that the weather's going to be decidedly dodgy for the next few days. Lots of rain, so we're going to cruise up here, try and get a mooring, and then our vague plan on perhaps Friday, when it doesn't look quite as bad, is to cruise back to Great Haywood because there's a turning winding hole further up. So turn, go back, use the facilities, and then cruise back up to Weston where we're booked in at the pub because it's our 25th anniversary. Nearly said wedding, but we live in Sim. So we're going to go to the pub and treat ourselves to a meal. Right, that's the bridge and the lock, so I better go. And I'll see you in a bit. This first lock has been kind to us. It's all ready to open. So I didn't even have to do anything. So here we go. See if Chris will wave at us. He's ignoring me, he's concentrated. Oh, there's a bywash, look. And this, which is quite fierce. Let's have a look. Kind of track around here. Train bridge, lots of trains around here. It's a very busy junction for everything really. The waterways, trains, which I suppose is normal for these places. Oh, excuse me. Still trying to get rid of this cold. Right then. Blue skies. Oh, here he comes. Look at that little bridge. Isn't that beautiful? I presume that can be lifted up then, so... Oh no, maybe that's for the horses, is it? Is that one of the old type bridges? So the... Oh no, I don't think you get a rope there. Oh, maybe you would. when the horses used to pull the boats. Not sure if maybe that was so the rope could still go through, possibly. So, can you see there where it says risk of capsizing? That's because the lips, look. I think I've probably shown you before. But probably supposed to go back a little bit. It does have the floating down there, like so you can touch, but I don't like the place getting too wet or too close to it. You don't want to balance it. Anyway, this more so you can capsize going down if the boat gets caught on the leg. Right, we're just cruising along this canal. There's lots of sorry, I'll just whiz you over to this side. There's lots of places to look and walk round. There's lots of signs, which usually means there's something to look at. Oh, swing you back round again. Chucks in there, horses in there, lots of wildlife. So into the countryside. Yeah, looks like it. So we've decided, after having another look at the weather, that we're going to go up to the winding hole, turn round and then more up, so we're facing the right way to go back to Great Haywood. I mean, at some point we'll probably have to cruise in the rain, but why cruise in it if you don't have to? We're going to knuckle down and have a nice cleaning day of the boat. It's beautiful. Is that a foal there? I'm not sure. No. Lots of different colour horses for those who love their horses. Look. Just spotted these nice moorings, which we might come back to. 48-hour ones. So once we've turned, we might come back to them if no other boat has stolen it, to moor up for a few days. It's not too close to the trees and things like that on that side. When we were moored in Rugeley, luckily we weren't right under it, but the conkers that were falling down in the water, my goodness, you wouldn't want them dropping on your head. So top mooring tip, don't moor under the tree where the conkers are going to fall. Forgot the name of it's horse chestnut, isn't it? I think. Is it horse chestnut? Should know this, surely. I think I do know it, but you know, my brain's made room for other useful things. Right, stop waffling, crank it. Right, we've arrived at the winding hole. So Chris is going to manoeuvre it around. I'm going to film it, and if it goes wrong, you'll never see it. Unless it's funny, and then I might put it on. So we sort of had a bet to see how many boats are going to turn up when he does this. So far, no boats in either direction. This is very unusual. There is a heron over there, happy with us. Oh, it's gone behind that bush. Sorry, I need to concentrate. just waiting for the boat to turn around this side. Parents watching us. Should have gone on the bank and filmed it. Look at this, coming round, lovely. Got our new barge pole at the ready just in case we get stuck. Can you see that the boat's just starting to come round now? Still no other boats in either direction. Chris is very good at this boat in Mallorca, because I would have got bored by now and started moving the till around or something, wanting it to go faster. I maybe should have time lapse this, I might do. I think we're both going to lose the bet because there's no boats so far. Nearly past the danger point. It's normally just at this angle that you think you're doing well, and then a massive gust of wind comes and ruins all your plans. Seagulls there coming to see what's happening. Sheep in there, not bothered about what's going on. It's down to the business of eating. It's a lovely stretch up here. I don't know if you can see right on there with all the countryside and the woods. See why people like the Trenton Mills. Right then. Concentrate. Lots coming round. Here she comes. Some ducks on the way up there, coming to see what all the commotion's about, seeing if there's any food going. After our red velvet cake, that's what they're after. No, they've been to the farm shop. Right, here we are, we're coming round, look. Just have to be careful sometimes because these, when you get to here, look, it can be quite shallow at the point. That doesn't look too bad actually. So you think you've done the perfect manoeuvre and then you get stuck over there. come round lovely. What are you going to give yourself for that then?
7.
7? 7 out of 10 apparently. Right, let's go and find a mooring. Beautiful. Just come for a wander. Oh, can you see how fast that pheasant's running over there? Beautiful up here. Stunning river. You can hear the pheasants calling to each other. Just wandering down this road just off the bridge. Look at this, beautiful, isn't it? It's a great thing about living this nomadic life, so to speak, that you get to see. Oh, just seen the kingfisher. I don't think I was fast enough to spot it. Distracted. What was I saying? Yeah, that you get to see all these different places. You know, every time you move on, there's somewhere new to explore. How much do you like my books? No? Yes? It's time to colour in another bit. So we've gone from Fradley to Great Haywood Junction. Oops. Move you over so you can see. The section completed. Some different characters on the towpath today. They possibly escaped from the field to get some lush, rich pickings. Very intent. Got themselves a convoy, people. Oh no, they've gone there. Oh no, they're still coming. It's the pirate ducks, Alice. This is a junction. So back to the Trent. Back up the Trent to Mersey. Well, carry on up the Trent to Mersey or to Wolverhampton. Which way are we going to go? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. Depending on when this goes out, we should have hopefully made a decision about which direction we're going to go in. I think I might have said that we've had to sort of hang around this area because we were meeting up with a friend, which got delayed a bit, so we've got to stay a little bit longer. But we keep changing our minds about which way to go because there's just too many nice options. But at some point we will have to decide. So hopefully next week we might have decided. But who knows, you know what we're like. Right, see you then.